Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to manage or clearing website cache data in your Samsung Internet mobile browser. So all you have to do is open up your Samsung applications on your device, then you need to tap or click, and then once you open up and then tap the three horizontal lines menu icon in the bottom right corner here. So this is the tool settings, and then click again. And then pop up this navigations panel here. And then next step, then you need now to select the settings gear button here. And then you need to click again. And then underneath here at internet settings. And then you need to scroll down and select this sites and downloads. And then you need to click again. So here now at sites and downloads, underneath here at sites, then you need now to select this manage website data. So all you have to do is to tap or click. And then here now at manage website data. So website data includes the files, images, cookies, and other info websites stored on your mobile phone. This data helps web pages load faster and keeps you signed in to sites. So you can see now here those website data cache stored on my device. And then if you want to delete those website cache data or clear, then you need now to tap the trash icons on the top right corner here. So you need to click and then select those circular icon here at left side corner. So select those website if you want to delete or clear the website cache. So for example, we want to select this website data to clear. So check this circular icon here. And then at the bottom of your mobile screen, then you can say this delete, and then you need to tap. And that's it, guys. So you can see now it's already delete or clear this website data cache here. Alright, so that's it, guys, and thanks for watching. And hopefully this video was helpful and guide you on Samsung Internet settings. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for mobile phone tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.